What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by Autobahn. My name is Max, and today you join me at the Autobahn with our very own BMW X5 45e. Now, if you have been following us with this car, you know that we bought it to do some development for our Stage 2 package, to use as a demo car for customers, to use as a loaner car, and to just drive around in, do like a commute electrically, which is great. We then did a race chip, which greatly improved the performance. So went from 16 to 13.8, if I remember correctly, 100 to 200, which is a serious improvement. We had it on the dyno, and it was actually doing a little bit more power than race chip claims, so like 462, which is very decent. And also the logs all looked really good with the timing and stuff. So honestly, a very good first step of tuning. Now though, this is stage 2. So we have installed our own Evolution M stage 2 package on this car, which means a 200 cell downpipe, an OPF delete mid pipe, and MHD for the engine. As you can see, this is our grandpa spec, which I really love. So silver trim, silver roof rails, little 19-inch wheels, which I think looks super good on an X5. Plastic bumpers, silver trim for the exhaust. It's just a nice SUV as it's supposed to be, if you ask me. So we have some B-roll of the mid-pipe and of the installation and stuff. If you are, considering this and you're not sure what it's like and you want to know what it's like, then visit us. You can come and drive this car. This is our demo car. We basically bought it with that purpose in mind. So yeah, come and experience it if you are interested, if you need more than what I'm about to show you in this video. So why does this work so well? Well, it's a hybrid. You've got the B58 in the front, which is amazing. You've got an electric motor onto the gearbox, and you've got a little battery, which means that you can drive up to, 50 kilometers electrically, which is great. It's comfortable, it's quiet, but you want to make use of that engine. We deleted the OPF, which is in the middle, but you still have this massive rear silencer, this back box, as you can see, which is stock. So that means that you still filter out a lot of the sound. We have a catalytic converter in the downpipe, so it's not super loud. If you start it up, it does so in electric, but if we go to sport, and then gearbox sport, starts up, then go back to neutral, and we should be able to rev it a little bit. It's always a struggle with this car, but neutral. So you have some pretty serious B58 inline 6 sound, which is great. It's not too loud though, in our opinion. All right, let's go for a drive and I'll let you hear the different driving modes and stuff. So sport mode, low speed. It's definitely more noticeable than before, but that is also kind of the point. And of course you still have the electric mode if you want, absolute quiet. So just switch to that one. As long as you keep that battery topped up, you always have this option of driving electrically, and it does so up to 140 kilometers an hour, more than enough power. Such a great car. Okay, back to sport. So as long as your throttle position is level, basically, you don't really hear it. It is there in the distance because you're also in a higher gear in sport gearbox. So if I go sport but drive, it selects a higher gear. So this is what we like to do. We like to take the good things about a car and emphasize them, but not so much or in a way that you lose the things that make the car great, or you end up creating downsides. So that's also why we bought this car for development, because we want to drive it, and we are going to offer this mid-pipe with and without a resonator. So if you have a catless downpipe, a resonator might be a good idea. Or if you just want the quietest version of this setup, then get the one with a resonator and the 200 shell downpipe. But this is pretty decent, right? It's not super loud. And then when you start giving it some beans, it definitely starts sounding more fruity. So we're going to hit the Autobahn. It's such a good sounding engine, the B58. And it fits in all cars. That's, you know, BMW uses it in pretty much all of the cars, all of the different levels. It just works in every one of them. All right, full throttle, here we go. Tires are rated to 270 kilometers an hour, so we'll try to stay close to that. But 100 to 200, as I said, we did a 10.5, something like that, 10.57 I think. Oh, it's quick. Look at it go. The speedo over there doesn't go past 263, but it will do 270 easy. So that's 263, and I just keep going. Should have brought a GPS speedo. Okay, I've got a speedo, a GPS speedo. I mean, I don't mean the swimming trunks. 100 to 200, 10.8. Last time 10.57, as I said, while we were doing development with the first client car X5 45e, we did a 9.8, which is just ridiculous. So we came from around 16 seconds and we went to 9.8 with that car, which was just ridiculous. The potential that is here with these cars is just crazy. So 276, 280. Going to let off because we don't have proper brakes on this car, of course. Might be something to think about if you want to do a lot of these high-speed runs with this car. Brakes are not really meant for this, of course. Top speed of the stock car is 240. So you can actually get an M Performance brake kit for this car from an X5M, I think. So that would be a cool upgrade to do as well, maybe with this car. But the ease with which you do this, 280 in this grandpa spec sleeper X5 45e, I think is really cool, and it works so well. It sounds good. Yes, the engine and the exhaust note are more present. German Rossers, be back in a sec. It's such a big difference. So you go from 394 horsepower to around 580, which is a massive difference. Stock, the B58 has 286 horsepower, 108 from the electric motor. We just tuned the inline 6, the B58, with MHD, which brings that up to like 465-ish, and then you add 108 of the electric motor, and it's somewhere along the lines of 580, which is just ridiculous. You also do, I mean, 9.8 100 to 200 is I think it's close to X5M of the, not the latest, but the last generation. So, X5 45e Stage 2 package, Evolution M, available in our store. Click the link in the description if you're interested. ECU needs to be unlocked if you have a post 2020 June car. If it's before that, we might be able to unlock it. But contact us if you have any questions. There's a WhatsApp button on the shop, so if you have any questions, make sure you hit us up. And well, let us know in the comments what you think, because this Grandpa Spec Sleeper X5 45e is hella quick, and I love it. Absolutely love it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. You can subscribe by clicking the big button. Check out this video, this playlist, and we'll see you at the next one. Bye.